Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show y'all this Syntec 12 volt automatic float charger. And what that means is it'll come on when it needs to come on, and it'll go off when it needs to go off. And it's it's very low powered. But I'm going to show you here. I got you a little demonstration I'm going to show you. Okay. You see this meter showing 1263. The batteries is drained down some, because I know it shows over 13 when it's charged. I turned my stereo on this boat and let it play for about 2 hours. And it's one of them high power stereos with 2 amps. So I brung it down some. And also I want to stress to you that this boat has a draw on it. The trolling motor has a draw on it. So I usually keep that unhooked, but I got it hooked up now. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook up this little charger, and I'm gonna plug it on, and I'm gonna show you periodically here and there about what this is. That don't look like it's sitting right. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what it does. Now I think it's gonna charge the batteries up, but I've only tried it one time, so I'm fitting to plug it in. Hey, it ain't much to it now. But you know, you don't want something loud and something running hard all the time. You know, where every time you walk outside you hear it. But I'm gonna let this sit on there. I'm gonna come out and show you. I'm gonna see if it'll pull these batteries up with that draw coming from the trolling motor. Alright, look at this. This is after 15 minutes. Alright, take a look at this. It's done been a couple of hours. That's 13.7. I'm gonna show you the rest of it tomorrow. I'm gonna let it sit overnight. I'll be back and show you what it does tomorrow. Alright everybody, it's the next day. Keep in mind that little Syntec charger is pulling 3 batteries. There's another battery at the front of this boat. Alright, take a look at this. And I got some battery terminal cleaner right there. I'm gonna spray that on there. Look at that right there. How can you beat that? I'm gonna put some of this cleaner on here. I'm gonna show you something else. Watch when I pull this off. Watch the meter. See there? This thing's real good. There you go. How can you beat that right there for $12? Thanks for watching, everybody.